Polls are a great new feature for WhatsApp. You can use them to make decisions easily in group chats. Any group admin can create a poll, but the feature is available to all users in both Android and iPhone devices. Let's see how to create and use polls on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your Android or iPhone device. Go to the group chat or individual chat where you want to create the poll. Polls work best in groups, but you can also use them in a one-on-one chat if you want quick feedback. Now tap the attachment icon. On Android, this looks like a paperclip in the message box area. On iPhone, it's a plus sign next to the typing field. When the menu opens, look for the poll option. If you don't see it immediately, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version as polls were introduced in recent updates. Tap poll and a new window will open where you can enter your poll question. This is where you type the main question you want the group to answer. For example, what day should we meet next week? Or which movie should we watch this weekend? Keep the question clear and concise to avoid confusion. Below the question field, add your answer options. You can add 2 or more options. Depending on your needs, for example, for the meeting day question, you might add Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. For the movie question, list the different movies being considered. You can add as many options as needed by tapping Add Option. There's also a setting called Allow Multiple Answers. If you enable this, participants can select more than one option when voting. This is useful if you want to gather broader feedback or if multiple answers can be valid. For example, if you're asking about preferred food options for a party, people might want to select both pizza and burgers. If you want everyone to pick just one option, leave this turned off. Once you have your question and options ready, tap the Send button. Your poll will be posted directly in the chat for all members to see. Everyone in the group can then tap their choice or choices to vote. Poll results update live so you and everyone else can see which options are leading as votes come in. This makes it easy to track opinions without having to ask everyone individually. If you need to change the poll, you can't edit it once it's sent, so double-check your question and options before posting. If you made a mistake, you'll need to delete the poll and create a new one. Polls remain active for 24 hours by default. After that time, voting closes automatically and the results become final. If you want to end the poll earlier, you can delete the message containing the poll from the chat. Using polls on WhatsApp can save time and keep conversations organized. Instead of long debates or multiple messages back and forth, you get clear answers quickly. They're perfect for work groups, family plans, friend hangouts, or any group decision. In addition to creating polls, encourage members to participate. Explain the purpose of the poll when necessary. For example, in a work group, you can write a message like "Please vote on the meeting time by noon today." This helps get timely responses. Keep in mind that poll privacy depends on the group settings. Only group members can see and vote on polls in group chats. In individual chats, only you and the other person see the poll. Polls are a simple but powerful tool to improve communication and decision-making on WhatsApp. Use them often to keep your groups engaged and decisions clear. Hopefully now you know how to create and use polls on WhatsApp. Let us know in the comments below if this video helped you. Please remember to like and subscribe so you won't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.